Hi everyone, just a brief update on 12D model training. For those that don't know me, I'm Tim Brooks. I'm the training manager for 12D Solutions. That's across both products, Synergy and 12D model. All right, since the last conference, the 12D model trainers from all over still continue to meet regularly to discuss training requirements and courses, as well as the standard files that come with 12D model. We try to provide the best out-of-the-box solution we can for you, particularly for those that don't have their own standards, or at a minimum, at least provide a good example for you. So if there's any issues, let us know. We can either fix them or endeavour to include in the next issues. For example, lots of toolbar updates over the recent versions have occurred, lots of new ones and updates to existing. For example, the super alignment minibar and of course the new view control, just to name a few. Hopefully you'll get to see a number of these throughout the Birds of a Feather sessions. Back to training. The new Emu Park dataset is being widely used now. This has been a massive undertaking over the last few years, not only setting up the new dataset, but writing all the new modulated training manuals to go with it. So a big thank you to all the trainers there. This should serve us well moving forward and allow us to provide the best possible training outcomes for you. For design training, this is where the majority of the training updates have occurred. These are occurring in all regions at the moment, but may vary slightly. The new design basics and design features courses are already being run. The design basics replaces the old introduction course, so this is for new users. The design features, it's more advanced. It includes super alignment element and computator design, the new modifiers or advanced modifiers, and smart changes. Using snippets, MTF boxing, and snippet or tri-mesh boxing. That's right, no more boxing rules. And of course, some of the new plot features. New masterclass is coming later this year. It's even more advanced again. It will include advanced super alignment features like speed tables, components, how to write snippets, overlaying, and more tri-mesh boxing. The track training has also been updated and it's almost due for its maiden voyage. On the survey side, the normal training is still being run here. Been told by surveyors that it will be updated to the new data set early next year. But they've been busy with the ADAC training. This has been a very popular one. And of course, E-plan training should be available by the end of this year as well. All right, on the drainage side, the stormwater and dynamic drainage courses are all on the new data set, but just awaiting the finalisation of the notes to go with that one, so that should be very soon. However, the two flow courses are all updated and being run on the new data set. For all your in-house training requirements, you can either pick a standard course or we will provide a module map to you, and you can choose your own topics within the allocated time frame. The map will look something like this. And then it'll be followed by a list of what's included in each of those modules. Free training. For those of you on maintenance, you can go to the 12D website and select the link to the 12D webinars. There is information and training webinar sessions. Simply select the register link to be part of the coming webinars. If that time doesn't suit you, you can come back and select the video link and watch them at a later date. They are a lecture style training, So no materials issued, and you don't get to do it yourself. It's simply just watch. But they only go for about 30 minutes to an hour, so you can watch them in your lunch hour or something like that. And that's about it for me.